So this morning we're up early, we're going shopping, not food shopping, we're going shopping for the house on the right, the first one we're doing. We're going to get the parquet flooring, the tiles, some more paint, electric rads, etc. So come along with us and I'll show you what the shops looks like. And we are back next door. And for those of you who are new here, we are actually turning one big house into two smaller houses. Both are going to be about 3 bedrooms. Let me show you the one that we started a few months back. Let me show you the progress. We're on the top floor at the minute. It's a 3-story house. Look at my shadow. We're now painted the top floor and we're starting to put the flooring down. So we've gone for like a light oak ton and groove flooring. The silver stuff is the underlay, so it helps level the floor a bit and give you a bit of insulation. Small window there, lovely beams on show, and then we've got like a little cupboard space there, because I find it's always important to have as much storage as you possibly can. Oh, let's squeeze through here. So then we've got bedroom number 2. Again, beams on show. Another little cupboard space in there, and a second little cupboard space in this part here. So when you guys are doing flooring, it's always a tricky one how to lay it out. Normally you go with the longest part of the room. This room's fairly square, so I've decided to run my boards obviously the way that they're going there. You could go the other way, but to do with like the cuts and everything, it makes more sense to put them this way. And also because as you come up the stairs, they're going to be running this way, the whole floor will be all the same then. And then if you can imagine the stairs there where the ladders are going to be, and you can see it's a long way down there. Little tip when you guys are doing flooring, like I say, always lay out your floorboards dry one way or the other. And some people start off with go on the next row, start off with the offcut of the last row. I like to kind of put them more like a herringbone pattern, so obviously half like a brick pattern, half and half. I find it's a lot stronger that way. Always remember also to leave a gap along the edge, because this stuff does expand. Even like when you're marking out for your doorways, just leave a gap. This stuff does expand, and obviously if it's too tight up against the walls it will pop and it will bow in the middle, which obviously you don't want. Yeah, and then that's my little tip for today. You got this tool here, which when you want to hammer the other side in, it slots in there, and obviously you come up and hit against it. And then for the tighter spaces, you've got this little tool here, which you can hook in and then hit back this way.